G'day, so in this video we're just going to be looking at writing similarity statements for triangles. So first, all we need to do is essentially match up our angles on which correspond to both triangles. So in all of these, they're said that they're similar, so we just need to figure out which order we write these in. So first, I'm going to go look at A, B and C. So for question A, we've got triangle ABC, and the trick is to actually write them in the same order. So we write our similar, I should put a triangle out the front of there, sorry. So we've got triangle ABC, and this is similar. We need to write them in the same order. So what I'm going to do here is match up our angles. So this A here, this is the right angle, so this is where G is. So I'm just going to write it next to it, just so it's clear which one's which. This B, because that's the next one written in our similarity statement, that's where this closed dot is, so this is where the H is. Okay, and C, this is the one where we're not sure. Okay, so that's going to be I. So a similarity statement, make sure it's in the same order. We go A, B, C in our first one, so we're going to have to write G, H, and then I. So they're in the correct order. Okay? So we'll go on to B here, and we'll just do the same. I'll pick an order. First, we'll just write the first one out, ABC again, so it's all in order. Triangle ABC. Oh, sorry, I should have had a triangle out the front of GHI as well. Sorry. And that is going to be similar, the three lines, to triangle, and we'll just right next to it. So this one with the dot, okay, is A. So this one with the closed dot here, this is similar to the A angle. All right, C is the one with the cross. So C is going to be the one with the cross up there. And then we have B is the one that we don't have next to it. So this is always a good one, just write next to it what it is. So we'll write these in the same order. So A, B, C means it goes M, N, O. Okay. We'll go do C down the bottom here. So first, these ones are a little bit harder because they do have, they're not like right next to each other. So with this, we'll just start writing out our triangles. So we've got triangle, and we'll do ABC again. So first off, let's try and label some. So this one here, okay, is going to be the same as this. So D corresponds with B here. Okay. Nope, it's not drawing that. Anyway, so that corresponds with that. Now C, we look at A. These ones here are vertically opposite. So A here, these ones are vertically opposite. So they're the same. So with this, angle A is actually going to correspond with angle A. So that stays the same there. And now we just need to look at what angle C corresponds with. And this is this E down here. Okay? So to write this out, we just go to say this is similar to triangle A because they're the same. Okay? Because they're vertically opposite. And then our B, this corresponds to D in the other triangle. And then E corresponds to the C. Okay, so it's all about just getting that right order there. Now, finally, we'll look at D here. So, yet again, we know our H, these are vertically opposite again. Okay? So these are going to be the same. So, essentially, H is going to correspond to H. Okay? Now we just need to work out the other two. We've got the dot on this G here. So this is going to correspond to this one with the dot there. Okay, so this one's going to be G, which makes this one correspond with this, where J is going to correspond with F. So we just write out our similarity statement. Yet again, it's just all about getting the same order. So if I write triangle HFG, okay, this is going to be similar to triangle, and then H is the same, and then F corresponds to J, so it's going to be J, and I corresponds to G, so it's going to be I. So this is how you go about writing similarity statements for triangles and making sure that you do write the letters in the matching order. So first, just essentially on your other triangle, just write next to it or take a note of which one it corresponds to, okay? And then just make sure that you write them in the exact same order, okay? So our first one we had ABC, that the one that comes with A, which was G, you write first, which was here, and then H, and then your I, because you're writing them in the same order as you wrote the first statement in. So hopefully this helps with writing out similarity statements. Good luck.